Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to block unwanted email on Yahoo. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to block unwanted email from getting inside your Yahoo inbox, then the first thing to do is to open up your Yahoo account. Open up a web browser and log into your yahoo.com account. Soon after you are in, click the settings button at the top right hand corner from the main home page. Scroll down to more settings and click it on. From the left hand side panel, click security and privacy. Under blocked addresses, click the add button and enter an email address that you would like to block. Finally, click the save button and that way you'll be able to block unwanted emails from getting inside your inbox on yahoo.com. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.